Welcome back to Motorcar Artistry. Today we are putting two legendary motorcycles head to head, the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R and the Suzuki Hayabusa. Both bikes have earned their spots in the Performance Motorcycle Hall of Fame, but they cater to different kind of rider. Let's dive into what makes each of these superbike unique and help you decide which one might be the better fit for you. Let's start with an overview. The Ninja ZX-10R is a Kawasaki track-focused superbike renowned for its cutting-edge technology and race-bred performance. It's designed for those who crave high-speed thrills and precision handlings. On the other hand, the Suzuki Hayabusa is an iconic sport touring machine, celebrated for its incredible top speed and comfortable ride. Known as the Busa, it's been a benchmark for straight line speed and has a reputation for long distance capability. Starting with the engine, the Ninja ZX-10R features a 998cc inline-4 engine that churns out approximately 200 horsepower. It's engineered for high revving excitement and track dominance with a quick shifter, advanced traction control and multiple riding modes to match its performance. In comparison, the Hayabusa comes with a 1340cc inline-4 engine that delivers around 190 horsepower. While it's slightly less powerful on paper, it's built for top-end speed and smooth acceleration. The Busa is known for its straight line performance and incredible top speed, often reaching the 200 mph mark. When it comes to handling, the ZX-10R is all about agility and precision. Its lightweight frame, fully adjustable suspension and aggressive geometry make it a track-ready beast. It's designed for those who love sharp cornering and spirited riding. The Hayabusa, meanwhile, is engineered for stability and comfort at high speed. Its longer wheelbase and more relaxed suspension setup make it incredibly stable on the highway. While it's not as nimble as the ZX-10R, it offers a smooth, comfortable ride that's perfect for long-distance cruising. Both bikes are packed with technology. The ZX-10R boasts a sophisticated electronic package including cornering ABS, multiple riding modes, and advanced traction control. It's designed to give rider maximum control, especially on the track. The Hayabusa also comes with a host of high-tech features such as the comprehensive TFT display, adjustable riding aids, and cruise control. It focuses on enhancing comfort and usability, making it a versatile option for both daily rides and long trips. Comfort is where the Hayabusa truly shines. Its ergonomics are designed for long-distance riding with a more upright position, a plush seat, and excellent wind protection. It's built for those who want to ride for hours without fatigue. In contrast, the ZX-10R is more focused on sporty ergonomics. The riding position is more aggressive with a forward-leaning stance and firmer seats. While it's fantastic for short, intense ride, it might not be as comfortable for long journey. Price is another important factor to consider. The ZX-10R generally commands a higher price due to its advanced technology and track-ready features. It's an investment for those who are serious about performance. The Hayabusa, while also a premium bike, offers great value in terms of speed and comfort. It's a bit more affordable than the ZX-10R and provides a different kind of performance, one that's more focused on top-end speed and touring comfort. So which bike is the better choice for you? If you are a track enthusiast for a rider who craves sharp handling and high revving performance, the Ninja ZX-10R is your top pick. But if you are looking for a high-speed cruiser with long distance comfort and a legendary reputation, the Suzuki Hayabusa is hard to beat. Let us know in the comment which bike you would choose and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.